Come whip it with me, 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 come whip it with me. Shea the lady, whipping all the sauce, 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 whipping all the sauce. What up, butter babies? This is Shea Butter Lady here, and today we're going to go over in more details about some pendulums. Basically, we're going to do some experiments you can do on your own today to test your pendulum and the magic that it has. Check it out. First solo experiment we're going to do today is called the lucky card. What you're going to do is get a deck of cards, take 3 to 5 cards, look at one card, mix them up, and then you're going to ask your pendulum, where is your card? All right. Is this the 9 of hearts? He's thinking. All right, yes. Is this the 9 of hearts? No. Is this the 9 of hearts? No. Okay. Let's say no. No. Yes. Let's see what we got this time. Oh! All right, it worked. So that's basically one experiment you could do on your own just to test your pendulum. All right, so for this next experiment, butter babies, what we're going to do is you take a couple of shot glasses. Now, I only have 2. So one of which is vodka and the other is water. What I'm going to do now is ask pendulum which one is water and which one is vodka. Now, I don't know which one is vodka and which one is water. So we will sure find out. Let's see how this goes. All right, pendulum. Is this water? See, it's saying yes. Is this vodka? No. Okay, they're saying this one's water. Let's try this one. Is this one vodka? Oh, I'm saying yes. Is this one water? I was thinking. No, it's not water. So let's do the safe one. I'm going to drink water. Because I don't want to drink vodka. Not today. So let me test this out. It's water. That means the other one's vodka, so don't need to taste it. So the next test we're going to do is called the birthday test. So basically, we're gonna ask pendulum, what day of the week was my birthday 5 years ago? I don't remember. That was 5 years ago. So then we're just gonna Google it and see what day that was, okay? And we're gonna do that together. November 13th. 2016 fell on a Monday. November 13th, 2016. Was that a Monday? Tuesday? Wednesday? Okay. Thursday? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, look, us thinking. Sunday. All right. November 13th, 2016 was on a Sunday. All right, let's Google this. 11/13/2016. Hey, y'all, this is almost scary. Can y'all see that? Sunday! All right, the last experiment I want to tell you guys about is pretty much like a hide and seek game. I would like for you to do this with a partner. At the moment, I don't have one. So basically what you would do is just hide an item in the house. And you're going to ask Pendulum each room, where is this item? Is it the living room? Is it the kitchen? Now, mind you, you're not hiding the item, so you don't know where it's at. Once you can narrow down the room, say for instance, it is in the bedroom. Once you can narrow out the room, then you want to get even more specific of exactly where it is in the room. The left side of the room. Is it on the right side of the room? Until you basically narrow down where the missing item is. Now, I have used this technique before to locate a missing pendulum. I literally lost my pendulum, couldn't find it. So I went to the store, got me another pendulum, and used this technique to locate my lost pendulum. So I can tell you that it does work for sure. And so those are basically some of the experiments you can do with a pendulum. Stay tuned for the next video. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Please like, subscribe, and if you did not touch yourself today, make sure you get some of that sauce at thesheabutterlady.com and get some of that sauce so you can touch yourself. You can use it in your hair, all over your skin. You see how flawless mine is? And get your sauce. Support thesheabutterlady.com. I look forward to seeing you. Check out the next video. Ow.